You slept a full 8 hours last night. But the moment you opened your eyes, you felt like you hadn't slept at all. Does that sound familiar? The problem isn't how long you're sleeping. It's what's happening deep inside your body while you do. Every single morning, millions of Americans wake up feeling completely drained, even after a full 8 hours of sleep. They are not lazy. They are not imagining it. Something is actually going wrong inside their body during the night. Doctors have a name for this, they call it non-restorative sleep. And today, we are breaking down exactly why this happens, and what you can do to finally fix it, starting tonight. Here is something most people never find out. Sleep is not just about the number of hours. It is about what happens during those hours. Every night, your body goes through 4 to 5 complete sleep cycles. And each cycle has 4 different stages. The most critical stage is called deep sleep. This is the stage where your body does its most important repair work. Your muscles rebuild. Your growth hormone is released. And your body flushes out harmful waste that builds up throughout the day. Without deep sleep, none of this happens. It does not matter if you sleep 6 hours or 10 hours. If you are not reaching deep sleep, you will wake up exhausted every single morning. And the most alarming part? Most people have no idea they are missing it. They blame stress, age, or their mattress. But the real problem is happening inside their body, every single night. So what is actually stopping your body from reaching deep sleep? The number one answer is cortisol, your body's primary stress hormone. Under normal conditions, cortisol follows a simple rhythm. It is high in the morning to wake you up and give you energy. Then it drops slowly throughout the day, reaching its lowest point at night so your body can fully shut down and enter deep sleep. But in today's world, cortisol never fully drops. Late-night phone scrolling keeps it high. Work stress keeps it high. Eating a big meal at 10 p.m. keeps it high. When cortisol stays high at night, your body stays in fight-or-flight mode. You may be technically asleep, but your body is still partially on alert. It is like trying to fully rest with an alarm bell ringing quietly inside your head all night long. Your body simply cannot enter deep sleep when cortisol is elevated. This is not a mindset issue. It is pure biology. Your body produces a powerful natural sleep hormone called melatonin. Every evening around 9 p.m., your body starts releasing it as a signal, telling every cell that it is time to wind down and prepare for deep sleep. But your phone is destroying this process every single night. The blue light from your screen sends a direct signal to your body that it is still daytime. Melatonin production stops immediately. Research shows that just 2 hours of screen exposure before bed reduces your melatonin levels by up to 23%. That means by the time you actually fall asleep, your body has already lost its ability to reach the deep sleep stages it desperately needs. Your phone is quietly stealing your sleep quality every single night, and most people have absolutely no idea. Now here are 4 hidden causes most people completely overlook, and any one of them could be the exact reason you wake up exhausted every morning. Number 1, iron deficiency. When your iron is low, your blood carries less oxygen throughout your body. The result is constant fatigue and brain fog that no amount of sleep can fix. Number 2, dehydration. Being just 1 to 2% dehydrated significantly reduces your sleep quality and causes heavy daytime tiredness. Number 3, sleep apnea. Your airway partially closes while you sleep, causing your body to wake up dozens of times per night. You remember none of it, but your body feels every single interruption. Number 4, vitamin D deficiency. Directly linked to poor sleep quality, and over 40% of Americans are deficient right now. Here are 4 simple science-backed fixes you can start using tonight. Fix number 1, put your phone away at least 60 minutes before bed. No exceptions. This alone will allow your body to produce melatonin naturally and dramatically improve your sleep depth. Fix number 2, lower your bedroom temperature to between 65 and 68 degrees Fahrenheit. A cooler body temperature is one of the strongest natural triggers for deep sleep. Fix number 3, drink a full glass of water right before bed. Even mild overnight dehydration disrupts your sleep cycles. Hydrating before sleep makes a real difference. Fix number 4, step outside into natural sunlight within 30 minutes of waking up. Just 10 minutes of morning light completely resets your body's stress rhythm, which directly improves your deep sleep the very next night. Your body is designed to give you deep, powerful sleep every single night. The only thing standing in the way is a few habits you can change starting right now. Pick even one fix from today and try it tonight. Pay attention to how different you feel tomorrow morning. If this helped you, hit subscribe, because every day we break down exactly what is happening inside your body backed by real science. See you tomorrow?